Okay, so I got a comment from Ajay. He says, one of my YouTube videos suddenly started getting views, but none of my other videos are doing good. So what aspect should I look for? I try to watch that video again and again. So if you have one video on your YouTube channel that is getting more views than the other videos on your YouTube channel, and you want to know how to replicate that success and what kind of videos should you create that will also get more views and get more popular, then in today's video, I'm going to break down the exact strategy that you should use to piggyback off of that popular video and create more popular videos. In fact, it's called the piggyback strategy, and I will debut it today. So, are you ready? Hey Go-Getter, I'm Salma Jafri. I'm the founder of YouTube Launchpad, the step-by-step course to take to start and grow your YouTube channel. I'll put a link down to the course in the description. Be sure to check it out. If you want to grow your visibility, credibility, and profitability with YouTube, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon, and let's begin. Now, you might be thinking, well, Salma, I don't really have a popular video on my channel yet. So let's define, what does a popular video mean? A popular video could mean a video that's getting more views than the other videos on your channel. So let's say if most of your videos get 50 views around that frame, and your popular video could be getting 70 views, 75 views, 100 views, right? So it's in relative terms. Popular compared to your other videos. Okay, so now the easiest way to know what video is your most popular video is to go inside your YouTube channel, go to your videos tab, and then on the right-hand side, you see here where it says sort by, you want to click on sort by most popular. Okay, and this way it'll show you what your most popular video is. Okay, so that is how you find your top 3 most popular, your top 5, or your 1 most popular video. Okay, the next question is, okay, when should you capitalize on a popular video? How do you know that this video is the one that you should piggyback off of and create another video on and use the success of this video to gain more success for your entire channel? So let me demo this with an example. So let's look at one video from my channel. Now this one is called Background for YouTube Videos. And as you can see in the graph here, this video was made a long time ago. In fact, it was made in September 2017. But it only started to gain traction around March 2020. And you can see here sort of between March 2020 and let's say around October 2020, it was in its heyday, really, really popular, started getting a lot of views. And so when I noticed this, I actually noticed this trend around May. So March, April, May, I saw it getting lots of views and I was like, hey, this video is getting a lot of views. And so you want to go into your analytics and look at your views and see what video is starting to get a lot of views. And then that is the right time to capitalize on that and create another video that piggybacks off of this video so that you can leverage the power the views are getting on this video and use it to drive traffic to another related, newer, similar video. Which begs the question, what video should you create next? How do you create a similar video that's not the same video as this? Enter the piggyback strategy. The piggyback strategy is something that I invented in order to leverage the power of a well-performing video on your channel. And this is how it works. So you want to look at your well-performing video. In this case, this is the one that I want to look at. And then you want to go into your reach tab and you want to look at what keywords are driving traffic to this video. So if I look down here, it says stuff like background for YouTube videos, virtual background, YouTube video background, green screen backgrounds, and I can also click on see more to see the full list of keywords that are driving traffic to this video already. So this video is called background for YouTube videos, but the other keywords that are driving traffic to this video include virtual background, green screen background, how to change the background, and all of these similar, related, relevant terms. So this first step in the strategy is to look at the search terms that are driving traffic to a video and see, can I make a dedicated video on that particular search term? Because you're already driving traffic with it. You're already probably ranking somewhere for that. So why not make a dedicated video? Now, in case you don't have a lot of search terms that are driving traffic to this video, or perhaps the search terms are not too relevant, there is another way to find out what video you should create next based on this popular video. And that is to look inside your comments section. So when I go inside background for YouTube videos and I look inside the comments section, I can see people asking questions, and I'm trying to see what are the questions that are repeated over and over again. So for example, I need to look into a green screen setup. Okay. And then let's see what else. Video about budgets and equipments and video editing. Okay, I'm trying to perfect the background for my videos. Please make a step-by-step how to put the background. Great video, but I was looking in how to add background. So people are saying, okay, this was a good video about backgrounds, but how do you actually put in a background? Okay, so for example, you said you had a video on how to make a green screen. So people want some help with green screen videos. When I got a green screen, but when I record and remove the green screen, I get blur and waves, and your video didn't do that. How to remove that? So these are all related questions that people are asking me, and you can see that a lot of them are about green screens, where to get backgrounds from. So lots and lots of content ideas here about what people watching this video would be wanting to watch next on my channel. So you want to look inside your popular video and see the qualitative comments that are coming and see the questions that people are asking, because if they have those questions after watching this video, then they'll watch a video answering those questions. So step 3 in this piggyback strategy is to go ahead and create a video based on the search traffic keywords that you identified that you haven't created a video on yet, and based on the questions that you are getting inside your popular video. So that is exactly what I did. And I went ahead and created this video called How to Make a Virtual Background for YouTube Videos, Free Downloadable Green Screen Backdrops. And so that was the video that was directly answering some of the questions that I got in the popular video, and also because I was ranking for some of the search terms, including virtual background and green screen background. So I wanted to combine that and make that video. And as you can see, this video took off pretty much immediately after publishing, and it has gotten me 59,000 views since it was published in July of 2020, 1,400 new subscribers as a result of this, 2,400 hours of watch time as a result of creating this video. And if I go into where this traffic is coming from, so let me go inside the Reach tab, and you'll see that a lot of the initial traffic came from suggested videos. And what video was suggesting this video? This one, background for YouTube videos. Now, why did that happen? So the next step is to link your newer video with your older popular video. So that is step 4 in this strategy. Let me show you how to do that. So you want to go back to your original video. So that this was the one. And if you look inside the description section here, you'll see that even though my first sentence is about what's the best backdrop for your YouTube videos, my next sentence is watch next. Pay attention to the terminology that I'm using here. Watch next, how to create a virtual background for YouTube videos, with the link to the newer video that I've made that is going to piggyback off of this popular video. Also notice that this watch next and this link is above the show more button. Okay, so as soon as people come to this video, they watch this video, they have a question on, okay, well, how do I create a virtual background? How do I use green screens and all of that stuff? It is right up there. They don't have to dig around for this information, which makes it a lot easier for them to jump from this video to the next video that I created in this series. And so that is how, when I look inside my analytics, I can see that since it was published, 19.9% of the views came from suggested. And then as the views from suggested started to rack up, because the original video was still popular, it was still gaining a lot of views and traction, this video started gaining a lot of views and traction, and ultimately it started ranking in search. So you can see that YouTube search is now driving 66.8% of views to this particular video. And if you do a search inside Google on how to make a virtual background for YouTube videos, chances are that this video is going to be one of the top ranking videos in your Google search results. Do that search and let me know inside the comments if that was true for you. Before we go any further, I want to announce this week's Viewer of the Week, and it's Olga Pogozeva. I absolutely loved what you wrote, Olga. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. If you would like to be featured as Viewer of the Week, make sure you leave a valuable comment on this video about how my content has helped your YouTube journey. And now back to our video. So really, the piggyback strategy is about identifying why a video became popular and using the popularity of your one video to create a similar video based on either search traffic or questions inside the comments that people are asking you. And then most importantly, creating that video and linking your new video to your older popular video, thus creating that link and allowing the new video to piggyback off of the older video so that both videos rise up in views. Let me know what you thought of this strategy, and also let me know in the comments below what is your most popular video on your YouTube channel. Put it down in the comments below. And then go and watch this video next on my channel on how to get your videos suggested by YouTube. I'll see you next time.